Welcome to video number 4. My name is Joshua, and we are going to work more on our Mountainfall diorama. So if you didn't see the first video, I'm a comic creator, and essentially what this project is specifically is a diorama of the island that Leo comes from, which is called Mountainfall. It has several levels and actual like floating mountains, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna jump right back in and we're gonna work on some of the floating mountain sections now. So if you look right here, right, this T shape is the main sections of the island in a single piece. Then these 3 floating things up here are 3 floating mountains that are above it. So we're gonna work on that section now, and we will see what it looks like. Yay! So it may not look like much yet, but this is a bird's eye view of the island. If you zoom in close, this part here and this part here are floating islands with like little bridges that connect them to each other. Over here is where there's going to be like a little river, mini lake that goes through the island. Another one that goes through here, so it separates it into actual separate parts, including this one too. And what I would like to do is actually stagger them. So they're going to be elevated above each other slightly. And yeah, but I'm gonna be creating the 3 islands now that are gonna be floating above it. So that's what we're gonna do next. Got floating island number 1. It's not finished, but just to kind of give you an idea of the shape. It's just one. I'll have to do 2 more. So that's it. I don't think I'm gonna do a video on these ones. It's taking a little while. It's gonna take some time. So I'm gonna finish this one off. Or maybe I'll make another video on finishing this one first before I finish off the rest. And I still have no idea how this is all gonna come together, but I have confidence, I have faith that it's gonna work out. We'll see. See you later.